Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Icino, looking into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin finally dropped out of its higher trading range into the middle of the lower trading range. Just put on some GAN projection levels. Should we rotate down? Tried to rotate down a while ago, but then bounced back. There is some buying right down here, so watch for that support just above the 6,000 level. If we get a close below 6,000, 59.10, 57.91, so 5,800, and then 56.60 are the next levels to the downside. On any rally, I'll really be focused on the upper end of the rotation zone coming on about 64.50. If we get a close above 64.50, I'll watch for this little wedge, 6,600. See this little prior support coming resistance. And if we get above that, start watching for about 6,800. So if you get any long plays, those are the levels to the upside. Any short plays or stops, those are the levels to the downside. It's like we might got a mini divergence. It's still in a range, so I pretty much ignore divergences, but there was, see, lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. Jump into the daily real quick, just to keep this in perspective, because you can see here, we've been trading in this huge range now since really back when we dropped below the 12th of March, and then we just drifted up. Now we're drifting down, but we're still in the same range. Very low volume. The rotation zone on the is straight overhead, so really you can keep an eye on 63.50, and if we did rally, it's up around the 6,600 at the major resistance is also on the daily. We're going to really be focused on it, though, tomorrow afternoon. That would be tomorrow afternoon Central Time when we usually get the movements. And then going into the futures opens, so we'll start to see how they behave. Ethereum, coming down, no divergence on Ethereum's higher low in price action, but just breaking down. Also, key resistance now coming in. We'll be watching right around about 135. 135, close above 135. We'll start watching for 140 again. All the levels to the upside stay the same as the last video. We'll just put on these new levels to the downside. And these are just short-term levels for any more active traders. 125, 122.62, and 120.22. If we did get down to 120.22 and got a close around that level, we'd be a close below all this recent price action, so then I'd start watching for a return to the swing low. Checking in on the daily chart. Again, it was in the rotation zone, popped back out. So right now, the top of the rotation zone on the daily is about 148. So in any strong rally, that's the key area to watch for. Other than that, nothing else to report. Hope everyone's staying healthy, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.